My name is Tim Richardson. I work at the Tech Exchange as a digital navigator. Tech Exchange is a nonprofit organization dedicated to bridging the digital divide. That means ensuring everyone has the tools and skills they need to thrive in today's digital world. We've been offering free computer classes across the Bay Area for some time. These classes are offered in a variety of cities and communities, and we're always looking for new ways to reach even more people. Our classes run in a monthly series. Each series is composed of 4 sessions, and each session is 2 hours. That's a total of 8 hours of hands-on training. In these classes, you'll learn essential computer skills like setting up and using email, safely browsing the internet, and how to protect your information online. These are essential computer skills in today's world, and we're proud to offer them at no cost to you. And here's the best part. Once you complete the series, you'll receive 1, a certificate of completion, and 2, a laptop, a free laptop to keep. That way, you can continue building your digital skills at home. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@techexchange.org or online at techexchange.org. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in class soon.